scientists may have just found a way to restore vision in older adults using a single injection. And if what early research suggests turns out to be true, this could change how we treat age-related vision loss forever. But before you get too excited, there's one very important question. Who is this injection actually for? And at what age could it really work? I'll answer that, but not yet. First, we need to understand the real problem. As we age, our eyesight doesn't just get blurry because of glasses' power. In many older adults, the real issue is damage deep inside the eye, especially in the retina. Conditions like age-related macular degeneration slowly destroy the cells responsible for sharp central vision. And once those cells are damaged, the body doesn't naturally repair them. At least, that's what we used to think. Recently, researchers have been testing a new type of injectable treatment designed to target damaged retinal cells. Instead of simply slowing vision loss, this approach aims to repair or reactivate surviving cells. Some experimental treatments use gene therapy. Others focus on regenerative proteins. And some are designed to stimulate dormant cells inside the eye. In early-stage clinical trials, certain patients experienced measurable improvements in visual clarity. Not perfect vision. Not miracles. But improvement. Now here's where it gets interesting. Unlike surgeries or implants, this method doesn't require replacing part of the eye. It's delivered through a carefully administered injection inside the eye under medical supervision. That sounds intimidating, I know. But eye injections are already commonly used for certain retinal diseases. The difference here is the goal, not just slowing damage, but potentially restoring lost function. However, and this is critical, it doesn't work for everyone. And this brings us back to the big question. At what age could this actually help? Before I answer that, let me say this. If you care about staying updated on real medical breakthroughs that affect people over 50, make sure you subscribe now. Because these treatments are evolving quickly, and most people don't hear about them until it's too late. Now, here's what current research suggests. The effectiveness of these injections depends less on your age number, and more on how much retinal damage has already occurred. In early to moderate stages of degeneration, when some functional cells are still alive, regenerative treatments appear far more promising. In very advanced stages, where most photoreceptor cells are completely lost, the potential is significantly lower. That means this type of treatment is more likely to help adults typically in their 50s, 60s, and early 70s, especially if diagnosed early. But for someone in their late 80s with severe, long-standing retinal damage, current versions of these therapies may have limited benefit. This is why early detection becomes so important. And this is also why scientists are racing to refine these injections to make them safer, longer-lasting, and effective for more people. We are not at the point of universal vision restoration. But we are no longer at the point of nothing can be done. And that shift alone is massive. Because for decades, age-related vision loss felt like an inevitable decline. Now, it may be a treatable condition if caught early enough. And if this field continues progressing, future versions of these injections could become more powerful and more accessible. And speaking of regenerative breakthroughs, if you haven't watched my previous video about scientists working on regrowing human teeth, you should definitely check it out. That research surprised a lot of people, and the progress since then is even more interesting. I've placed the link in the description below. Because science isn't just changing how we see the world. It might soon change how we live in it.